You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this molecule, a medication from biology. If you want to learn medical terms, stay tuned. This is used in different creams, skincare. It's also known vitamin A, vitamin. How do you pronounce it? We'll see. Retinol, English, British English, retinol. Retinol, or in American English, it's either pronounced retinol or retinol. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.